I'm thinking of doing CPA with micro gigs. Does this method work? So with micro gigs, you got to understand this. It's very low quality leads you're getting, okay, for the actual advertiser. So you may get scrubbed and stuff like this. I like never get scrubbed. People ask me all the time, do you get scrubbed? No. Okay, or shaved? No, because I send very quality traffic and I make sure of it every time. Okay, that's the key. That's the key with CPA marketing. The problem is you're incentivizing these micro workers, okay, to convert on an offer, but then they're not going to do any more stuff. Okay, these advertisers that own these offers, what they're really doing here is they're paying for a lead and they know their numbers, and their goal is to make more money back than what they're giving you for the lead that you send. And you need to send a really good lead that's qualified. Okay, and that means basically micro gigs is an incentive traffic. People are getting paid to convert on the offer. And what that means is it's very low quality. That's what that means. And by the way, most offers even say no incentivized traffic. Okay, so there you go. I mean, there's ways around everything. You just got to think outside the box, but there you go.